Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? So what's going on, my Holochain brother? Today video is going very special because I have very special and good news for every Holochain holder. So keep watch this video because the surprise, the good news is going very mind blowing, absolutely very good for every Holochain holder. And this video is going specially for new holders, very important. So for new holders, don't skip this video, otherwise you cannot understand to what I talk to you. This is live price prediction of Holochain. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please, before I get started this video, I request you, my brother, to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please subscribe for latest news and good news and all updates about crypto. And just in 2 minutes I updating you. Okay, in 2 minute video. So please press the bell icon for latest videos notification. Guys, if you can see here, let's start this brand video. If you can see here, this time the price is increasing very fastly. You can see here about 5.35% the price is increasing, and you can see here the latest price as 0.01993 US dollar as the latest price. Yeah, so Holochain brother, congratulations, this is chicken dinner time. Let's chicken dinner. Okay, so Holochain is completely starting moving up. What a brilliant channel. Let's check out the market cap to what's going on in the market cap and full diluted market cap. Everything is increasing. You can see here the full the market cap as increasing this time 5.33% they're gone up. Guys, this time I think I tell you one important thing. To this time the market cap as very this time and very in profit. Okay, so market cap is gone increasing very good. So therefore our cryptocurrency is starting good. So and gone up like a rocket very fast. So this time you can see here the full dilute as 5.58% up, and volume of last 24 hour. Special math thing is that so the volume of 24 hour as increased 27.86% gone and increase. You can see here this is not a small chain, very big chain for every holder. This is congratulations wing holder. Please, and this video I tell you to this is selling time, buying time or holding time. So please be focused at the end of this video I tell you. Okay, so let's see to what's going on in the chart. The chart result has gone very important, guys, because they play a key role in this prediction. Okay, so guys, the good news is that too I want to do a giveaway. Yes, I do a giveaway of Holochain for Holochain holders. Yes, 5,000 coin giveaway is coming soon, but you just click on the subscribe button, complete my 10,000 subscribe, then I do this giveaway. Okay, and I make special video for this giveaway. So you just wait for this special giveaway. Okay, and you just subscribe. This is just announcement. I make special video for this. So guys, if you can see here the graph result as totally and the last previous 7 days and the last half days, you can see here 12 hours they totally goes down, and last 7 days they totally goes down. But I don't know how is it possible today starting again go up. They take a very high jump. They take a very high jump. This time you can see here they take a very high jump, and this time the price as 0.022 at 6 US dollar as the price, and the last 24 hour volume rate as you can see here 1.248467194 billion. What a brilliant shot. They totally gone down, and this time the price is 4.88% increase, guys. 4.84% increase in the last 4 hours. If you sell it this time, they also give you a good profit, but I cannot suggest you to sell it, because at the end of month they give you 1 US dollar or 1 plus. So what you say, can they you agree or me? Please tell me in a comment box. I hope they change it. Okay, so let's see on to what's negative and Holochain or holder. If you can see here, this time the Holochain is totally as increased. Everything is increased. Price has increased, and the more trading volume is increased, everything has increased, nothing has decreased. You can see here, and the rank as this time the rank in crypto market, the Holochain as 42. So I hope they cross it, and top 10 they are in the top 10 just at the end of this month. What you say, tell me in a comment box. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and my opinion is that to please, if you have any plan to buy more, then this is good time to you buy it. Please buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit. What you say, can they gone up? My expectation is very good from Holochain. What you say, tell me in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.